Hello and welcome back to my channel where we talk all things personal development, healthy living, creativity, Disney, and just so much more. I'm Jess and I'm so happy that you are here. Today I am sharing my tips for increasing your energy naturally. I know that I am not the only one that has felt fatigued over the past couple of weeks. If you consider yourself to be an empath or a highly sensitive person, I really think that there is something to the concept that when there is a lot going on in the collective, we can feel the weight of that. So I really just wanted to share some tips and tricks that will not only restore your energy, but protect your energy. So let's get started. Tip number one for getting that energy back is beginning your day with you. Before anyone else gets your attention that day, you give your attention to you. There is that sense of wanting to leap out of bed to give yourself that time to fill up your cup, fill up your tank before you run into all of the other things that are inevitably going to crop up in the day. Tip number two is to get movement in, trying a new form of movement. So if you're somebody who does boxing, let's say, perhaps you go for a dance class, it moves the energy within your body and it wakes up different parts of the body, and that feeling of waking up the body also wakes up the spirit and increases your energy. Tip number three is getting yourself outside. Getting that vitamin D, getting out in nature is so restorative. It recalibrates your energy, and especially if you're able to get out somewhere that is really meaningful to you. Like for me, going to the beach is huge. Even if you're in a colder climate, still managing to get outside, even if it's for just 10 minutes or so on a nice walk around the block, that will do wonders for your energy levels as well. My next tip for you would be to incorporate healthy foods into your diet. I have the biggest sweet tooth of anyone in the entire world probably, but when we reach for those sweet treats, they often come with that cost, that crash, either 30 minutes later or an hour, even a couple hours later, and it can even affect our moods, honestly. So it's not about saying, oh, don't have sweet treats ever again. It's really just more about being aware of what you're consuming and being conscious about also ensuring that you're getting the nutrients and vitamins and minerals that are necessary in a healthy diet. Something I really enjoy making is a nice green juice. They have sugar in them from the fruits I include, as well as tons of other health benefits, and it's a chance for me to be creative. Today, for instance, I made a de-bloating juice and included pineapple and ginger and turmeric and all these other things within it, and I really enjoyed it, and it was fun to make. So I hope that these tips helped you. They certainly have been helping me, and let me know what you do to restore your own energy when you notice that you have been fatigued. Until my next video, keep feeling good. Bye guys.